The octopus is supposed to be cooked in its own water, and that's the secret to polpo alla Luciana.
È saporito assai.
Let's start with a nice splash of oil in a pan. Garlic, I put plenty in, the tomatoes, and then the tomato puree. Olives with the stones already removed, and the desalted capers. And now it's time for our protagonist, the octopus. I haven't cleaned it. I'll do it after the cooking as it will be easier then. All I've done is emptied out the head beforehand. Give it a mix up. I recommend that you avoid adding salt because the octopus will release all its flavor. And at this point, we're going to simmer our octopus for 40 minutes. The octopus is cooked. I'll leave it to one side for a moment. And in the meantime, I'll cut the bread so that we can soak up the sauce later. Clean the octopus. Remove the eyes and the beak. One last thing. Let it cook for 15 minutes so that our sauce will shrink and will turn out perfect. Sughetto perfetto. We have everything. Now we can make a beautiful dish. Another essential ingredient, a bit of raw parsley, and a nice splash of oil. And finally, we have my absolute favorite part of the process, the tasting.
È saporito assai.